Instructions for using the Meditech AED Defi 5. Press the green power button and follow the voice prompts. Remove the electrode pads and place the electrode pads one after the other on the patient's bare chest. Special note, if there is chest hair on the area, it must be removed first. If there is water on the patient's body, it must be wiped off first. If the patient is wearing a necklace or medication patch, it is best to remove it. If the patient is wearing a pacemaker, they must keep a distance of 2.5 centimeters from the electrode pads. For children or people with chest injuries, the electrode pads must be placed in the middle of the chest and back. The analysis is in progress. Please do not touch the patient. Spread out. Do not touch the patient and listen to the analysis. It is recommended to give an electric shock. Do not touch the patient. Press the shock button. Defibrillation is complete. Please perform CPR on the patient. Continue with CPR after the electric shock. After 2 minutes, the AED will prompt you to automatically analyze the patient's heart rate. Be careful not to switch off the AED. Follow the instructions until the emergency doctor arrives at the scene of the accident.